Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I'm cleaning up, a little bit because as you can see, since Maria, we've been going crazy with plants. They're just like growing all over the place and I can't do it. I can't find people that could actually climb up there and get all those plants out. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I guess the winter time should cut down a little bit in that grass, and maybe then we could just cut them down, while they dry. You could just pull it out. Here I pulled out these plants. I don't want these plants growing. I think these, how you call that? They're pumpkins, I think it is. But I can't let it go inside my garden. Not inside here. No way. I've been growing them little by little. I also have a whole bunch. Let me see if I could unlock this wheelchair. Okay. I have also here, right there, look how beautiful, with my beautiful flowers and everything. And I'm dying for this to give birth, how you call it, a pumpkin. Not a pumpkin. How you call that? A plantain. That's what it is. I'm going haywire lately. I don't know what's wrong with me. And as you can see, there's a lot of corianders here. I'm leaving the flowers to go together with it because if little seeds of coriander goes under the flower, then that means that it won't get hurt. Even though they're growing pretty good. I don't know if you can see. Let me take this out. Right there. They're growing pretty good. So they're not really hurt or anything. So that's pretty good. I still got to finish this area right here. But it's in a far place and I got to wait for the floor to be totally dry. I cannot, because then my foot, I have to put my foot in the floor. I don't want to get my socks all dirty and nasty with dirt, So I just going to wait till a good day. And as soon as that's a good day, I will be finishing tearing this out and see if I could put the corianders more that way too, So that's my main idea. And I'm hoping for this plant to give another baby. There's a baby there, but it doesn't look like it's getting any good help. Maybe because of the heat. Maybe when I checked it inside, it's still green. So maybe when winter comes, it'll get more strength. And then, because it's been like in the hundreds, I think, because it's hot, hot, hot. And it's very hard to, mess around. So, saying this is what I'm cleaning out right now, this area. What I can do, I either ask my daughter or my husband to cut it, to take it out for me, because I only could do so far. I can't go through the bricks, so I'm gonna have to just do as much as I can and let somebody else do the rest of it. But at least in the front side, I keep it clean because that's where I take my corianders. So what I do, when they a little bit there, I plant more so they could start growing there too. So, and plus the ones that don't grow there, they grow here. I take them from here. Look how beautiful that one is. I don't think I need corianders today because I'm just gonna make potatoes with fried chicken. And in potatoes, I do not add corianders. So I guess I don't need them. But I might take 2 or 3. But even though I got in front of the house, no, I probably won't take. I have it in front of the house. And if the hurricane comes, I just use the ones over there. Whatever's coming. So pray for us again. And I hope that everything comes out good and there's no hurricane, just a little storm enough water to water my plants. That's it. I don't want it to hurt no more Puerto Rico. So all this, I'm going to leave it there. Later on, I get somebody to throw it out. But now I'm just going to do this. The heat is too much. It's getting me nauseous. So I'll see you later. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.